Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super exciting and I am gonna wait for it. I'm gonna color my hair. And no, I'm not gonna bleach my hair. I'm not gonna permanently color my hair. I'm gonna use a hair wax that's gonna wash off in exactly one wash. Any hairstyle, any hair texture, any hair type, you can color your hair without damaging your hair, and just one wash. Like you can keep it for like 3-4 days and then when you wash your hair again, it's just gonna wash off. How cool is that? Are you excited? Because I'm super thrilled. So let's get into it. I think I'm gonna wash my hair for the next 2-3 days, which is great. Which is what the aim is, that your scalp is clean and you don't need to wash your hair out every now and then. That dehydrates the hair, that strips the hair of natural oils. Curly girls in general aim towards lesser number of hair wash days. It's going to be my experimentation of what the color looks like, how much to apply, how less to apply, where to apply, and all of that. The things that you'll need for this before you color is number one, thanks to Liz. And when I say Liz, I'm talking about HonestLiz and HonestLiz Products. She's an Indian curly girl who helps us source products and get them to India, so we have access to it. What I really like about this bottle is it's so tiny, so it can fit into bags and stuff easily. The other one that I had was much taller. Can you see that? So it's constant spray, so I don't need to keep on going kitch, and also it gets the hair nicely damp for product instead of dripping wet. Today I'm gonna be using the Ashba Botanics hair gel and leave-in conditioner. This is by our very own curly girl, and this product is really great. It's very affordable. I'm guessing it's easily available because people all over want it and it's getting sold out really quickly. And also, I'm just going to use this duo for styling my hair. All this ringlets that's happening in my hair is because of one hero product, and that is a brush. Yeah, a brush. This one is called a wet brush. Usually we do not dry brush our hair because it leads to breakage and stuff like that. So we just go into shower, we wet our hair, we lather on conditioner, and then we use the brush to detangle hair. So what happens with this specific brush is, I took sections of my hair and I detangled upwards. I didn't just brush through my hair like that, but while I was doing that, I twisted the brush this way or upwards from my scalp, and this side smoothness of the brush actually helps to clump your hair and give you those ringlets. I haven't used a hairbrush in over 10 years. So I was wondering if I really need to invest this much in a brush, but it works. It really works. And if I don't have to do anything, and if I can get this kind of volume, and if I can get these ringlets with just this brush, which I anyway use my fingers to detangle in the shower. The most important product of today is the hair color. Oh my god, I'm gonna go purple. Oh my god, look at that color. Clearly it's water soluble, so it just washes away, and it's intense color, and it works like any other hair styling product. It's basically like a wax, so all you need to do is literally put it onto damp hair and let it dry out. I think it's MOFAJANG. That's what it says, MOFAJANG. Okay. It's hair coloring materials. So wash your hair and then take a little bit of wax, put it onto your fingers, and then you apply it onto the hair. You have so many colors that come in it. It's red, it has purple, it has blue, it has golden for like those gold highlights type. It has golden, it has black, so for the people who feel like you're graying out and you don't want the grays to show, that black works perfectly because you just need to apply it when you're styling it, and for the next 2-3 days at least it's gonna stay put, right? And you can just wash it off. How convenient is it? It smells like hair cream, Brill hair cream. It smells like that. And the color looks damn intense. Before you put this color on, make sure to either wear something that already needs to go in for a wash or just throw on a towel on. The very first thing I'm going to do is drench my hair. If you have curly or wavy hair, and if you have ever wondered Why your hair and the ringlets look so good when it's wet but it frizzes out once it's dry? That's because curly hair is like dry skin. Moisture just evaporates from the hair so quickly, and that's when it gets dry, just like your skin. So what you need to do is you need to have a leave-in conditioner, and leave-in conditioner is going to put that moisture back into your hair, and then you're going to need a gel to lock that leave-in conditioner in your hair. And once you do put on the gel, don't touch your hair, let it dry. You can use a diffuser or you can air dry it if you're free. Once it's completely dry, it'll look like this, but it'll be fully dry. So that's called a cast. I'm just going to take a little bit of righteous roots, put it all over my palm, and just go ahead and scrunch the crunch out. If you ever see SOTC, that's what it means. Scrunch out the crunch. You'd like to not have your roots fall so flat. Just pick up your hair and put it there and let it dry like that. And once it's dry, your roots are not going to stick to your scalp. Ashba's leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to, like that much. I'm going to use my water. The leave-in conditioner is on. Now I'm going to use my wet brush. Apply just a tad bit of gel. So gel is what locks the moisture inside the hair, like it just seals it, right? So I'm just taking about that much. The hair wax. I'm so excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am. Available on HonestLiz Products online. There are only a couple of them, so I'm hoping it's not sold out by the time you go get it, but she keeps getting new colors, so keep an eye out for it. While this is drying up, I can pin the base of my roots so that it just is lifted from my scalp and it doesn't fall flat. As you can see, it's already lifting my hair off of the root, and this is how it's gonna dry. And I'm gonna wait until it's completely dry before I take them off. And you have to be really careful when you're taking them off because they can get your hair a little bit frizzy. To show you how to get rid of the cast using the righteous roots oil, just take a couple of drops . Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching the entire video. You can follow all these international and local curly girl gurus who are helping other women out there be natural, be beautiful, and be themselves. If you liked the video and if you felt like you learned something from it, please do hit the like button and show me some love so I know it's reaching the right people and the right audience. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll catch you with my next video soon.